Yo! What's up mga ka-alright? So nandito naman tayo kasi tayo ay nakakita ng Osmo Pocket 3 sa wakas. At andito tayo ngayon sa may Alabang Town Center para kunin yung gadget at matest, ma-unbox at masimulan na ang bagong kategorya ng ating pag-vlogs. So ito na, nakuha na natin yung item at kami ay pauwi na ni Mami. Very smooth transaction. Salamat sa Urban Gadgets. Very excited talaga ako na magamit tong gadget na to kasi talagang sobrang goods ang review. Let's go!
Alright, what's up sa mga ka-alright? So nandito na naman tayo kasi meron tayong bagong nakuwang item ngayon na gagamitin natin sa ating travel sa Korea. At ang tagal nating hinanap to. Tagal nating nagtanong-tanong, naghanap-hanap kasi parang talagang sobrang in demand niya kasi parang sa sobrang ganda niya, pag nagkaroon ng stock, nawawala agad. So, without further ado, dito namin siya nakuha sa Urban Gadgets. Sobrang thank you, Sir Chong. Ching pala, Sir Ching, Jason. Hindi ko alam ba't naging Ching and Jason, pero thank you, sobrang oras. Salamat sa iyo. So, eto, anyway, buksan na natin to. I-unbox natin. Anyway, gagawin rin naman talaga natin para make sure na, di ba pag naka-unbox ka, especially yung mga medyo mahal na gadgets, i-check yung lahat kung gagana. From box itself, kung may damage or kung ano man kailangan na videoan mo para magkaroon ka ng warranty at may balik mo kung kailangan. So, ayan. Videoan na natin.
Alright, so yan na nga. Nabuksan na nga natin yung ating box, no? Hindi ko na isasama kung paano namin in-unbox, pero importante is na kuha na natin mga items na yun at lahat ay in good condition. So again, thank you Urban Gadgets. Diyan yan sa may Alabang Town Center. Second level garden wing. Thank you, Sir Ching. Let's go. So goods na goods to. Binuksan na namin at lahat nga nang nandito sa likod ay na-check na namin. So unang-una, para lang makita nyo rin, meron tayo rito yung Osmo Pocket 3, the unit itself, which is this. Okay, so goods na yan. Actually, mamaya ito try na rin natin para makita natin yung functions. And then we have the protective cover, which is this. So very easy gamitin. So if you have to parang i-swak na swak dyan yung pinaka unit, just have to face it downwards and yun, Osmo Pocket 3. Pwede mo isuksok sa ano mo, sa bulsa, di ba? And then the next is we also have the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, which is this. Okay, it also has the windscreen. So ito yan, pero in-skip na natin. So the next one is the handle with 1/4 thread, which is this one. So kala ko kanina this actually gives extra battery, but no, this is just a handle. So handle with 1/4 thread. So parang kumbaga kung gagamitin mo siya, isusuksok mo lang dito para maging extender para mas maganda ang grip mo. The thing that actually extends the battery is this. This is the battery, extended battery. Okay, which is what they call the battery handle. So pag sinuksok mo to dito sa DJI, which is the same thing, magki-clip yan and it will have its own charge. Automatically yung charge mo rito, ililipat niya dito sa unit. And magkakaroon siya ng function na makikita mo how much battery is left here and how much battery is left on the unit itself. So pwede natin makita yan pag pinower on yung unit. That's the extended battery. It also has the tripod, which can also be this can also serve as a handle. Ayan yan, no? Mini tripod. So pwede mo itayo, pag picturean kayo dyan, pwede matayo yung unit. And then along with it also has the Type-C to Type-C power cord, kasi everything is Type-C for the unit. From charging to transfers, lahat Type-C. So ito siya. Tinanggal ko na kasi nag-charge na ako kanina para lang magamit ko itong extended battery. Makita ko kung gaano pa karami yung battery doon. It seems na full pa naman siya. So okay pa. And then, it also has, of course, the carrying bag. So, ito. Which is this. So, lahat to pasok dito. So kung gusto mong halimbawa i-store siya somewhere, lahat ng kailangan mo pwede mong ilagay dito. Buksan lang rin natin saglit para makita niyo yung kung paano yung storage niya. Ayan, so just for your visibility, so it has good compartment. So bahala ka na kung paano mo store. It even has compartments, smaller compartments dito sa mga sides na to para lang pag i-store mo yung sa magnets or yung sa mga cords, you can easily find them where you've stored them. Okay? So yun siya. Alright, so going back to the next piece na kasama dito sa box is the DJI mic 2 clip magnet. So si mic actually ito may clip naman. Diba? If you wanna clip it on your clothing, madali siya i-clip. Pero kasi at point sometimes minsan gusto mong ayaw mo siyang i-clip, gusto mo siyang itago somewhere na hindi makikita kaagad ng tao. So for some additional functions, it has the magnet. So pwede natin pakita tong function na to yun. And super strong yung grip ng magnet, ayaw matanggal. Pakita lang natin sa inyo kung paano siya i-clip. Ayan, so for the purpose of this video, let's say gusto mo siyang i-clip sa loob ng, gusto mo mag-gamitin yung magnet and yung actual clip. So gusto mo somewhere, ayaw mo rito ayaw mo i-clip dito. So gusto mo somewhere dito. So pwede mo siyang ilagay dito sa loob. And since malakas yung magnet niya, you can just have it like that. So diba, parang pwede siyang aesthetics. You can put it anywhere in your clothing. Mag-jacket ka, hindi yan makikita sa loob and it will still capture good audio for your video. Alright, so ito, good thing at isa sa mga favorite na nakita ko rito is yung next item natin, which is the wide angle lens. Sabi ko, paano mo gagawin yan? Parang mahirap ba ikabit? No. Very, rin siya, magnet rin siya. Kasi ipakita natin So buksan natin yung unit. So you just have to slide. Automatically magbubukas siya. Then ikot natin para makita nyo yung actual camera. Ayan. So, automatically, magbabago yung angle. Let's check kung yung difference. Ayan o. Diba? Ayan. Ayan siya. May sa grid lines. So, mas malaki ako sa grid lines. Diba? Wide angle. Ayan. So, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung difference. Pero it has a difference. Alright, and then of course, last but not the least is yung DJI wrist strap. Dragon ng DJI. Anyway, ito siya. Ayan, so like any other gadgets na maliit, so it's always going to have a strap. If you want to use this, ganito siya paano ipasok. Ayan, so for the purpose of the video, ngayon na rin natin gawin kasi gusto ko rin talagang gamitin to since it fits in your hands. Magandang gamitin yung wrist strap. So dito siya, if you will see, pag nakuha mo yung unit, it will have 2 small holes. Diyan mo ipapasok yung end of the strap. Yan, di ba? So yan siya. Itong strap na to, dito lang natin ipapasok sa dulo rin. Dito sa baba. Ayan. So, pasok po dyan. Ayan. So, finally, nakisama na siya. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin dito is you have to keep pushing the thread, yung part na gusto mong pumasok. Just keep pushing in, wag kang susuko at isiping wag gamitin to kasi this will save your gadget if for some reason, let's say bigla mo na bitawan, di ba, or kung ano man. Kasi nga very compact siya so dapat meron tayong gantong wrist strap talaga if we're going to carry it outside. So once na ipasok mo siya, you just have to konti na lang, wag kang susuko. Ayan. So, naipasok na natin siya. Yan ang itsura niya. So, magsasalubong yun dun sa loob. Okay? Ayan. Goods.
So tapos na tayo sa dilemma na yan, pwede natin gamitin outside.
Alright, so since okay na tayo, almost done na actually sa video, still some few more things worth mentioning. So itong part na to pala first is for the magnet. Iniisip ko nung una na itabi mo na lang muna siya somewhere in the bag. Pero ako siguro gagawin ko lang is since mga strong nga yung magnet niya, I'd rather put it in here. Just in case kailanganin ko siya, I can use it anytime. Plus itong wide angle for its protective cover. There's some spaces there where magnet din siya na pwede mong ilagay yung additional accessories ng Osmo. So ito, since this is the wide angle lens, you can put it here. It's magnet. Ayan. So just in case after nito, you can, once na ilagay mo na to, down the face down there, it's still safe. Plus, if you will notice, yan, meron ding isa rito na accessory na hindi kasama sa DJI Combo Creator Set. Wala siya dito. It's the Black Pro Mist. I don't know what it is, pero siguro it's going to be an extra accessory na pwede mong mabili. DJI has its own online app na pwede mo ma-check what that is. If you're interested and you have the DJI Osmo Pocket, you can check that out. Pero ako sa ngayon, goods na muna to. I wanna try it out. And ilalagay muna natin to lahat sa DJI pouch natin. Carrying bag, let's see how it goes.